My favorite interior feature of the 2018 CT6 would be the Pan-Array 34 speaker Bose system. It produces the best sound that I've seen in any car.
The wireless charging capability, it's nice not having to worry about plugging your phone in.
A cinnamon interior. It's different. It really accents with everything else in the car very well.
My favorite safety feature on the CT6 is the pedestrian detection system. It helps detect pedestrians on the road to prevent any accidents.
They have a super cruise, just self-automated drive. So when you're on a highway, you pretty much take your hands and foot off the gas pedals and steering wheel, and the car drives by itself.
The automatic braking front and back, just collision avoidance. If you don't have your foot on the brake, you come up to a vehicle, suddenly the vehicle can detect that and brake for you.
My favorite drivability aspect of the CT6 is the all-wheel drive, especially here in Minnesota. It helps with the handling in the winter.
Just the ride of the vehicle, I think it's the best riding Cadillac that they've come out with.
Super Cruise is amazing. At first it was very scary because I'm old-fashioned. I just want to have my hands in the drivability aspect of it, but the technology is very impressive. The customers like the design factor of the CT6, the sportiness, and the luxury of the interior.
They really like the design. They just see the shape of the vehicle, they see the new lines of it, and they really enjoy how it looks.
What customers like most about the CT6 is the overall classy yet sporty look.